Hello, I am Ekaterina Pryanikova and this is my channel. To understand all the points, you'd better slow down video a bit. That's why all my buttons pressed toward big clear sky. Important to know creating some footage as requires some Python plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easier. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. On my second channel Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. On this video I will show all the buttons pressed. You can slow it down via YouTube player. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within scope of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. Feel free to ask question or give suggestion in the comment section.